Now we are going to study a simple DC motor. DC means the direct current motor. Now these motors are there in your washing machine, juicer, mixer, grinder. It goes round and round. What happens when we give electricity? The motor starts rotating. So this is nothing but an electric motor is a device which converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. Mechanical मतलब जो घूमता है, okay, which has got motion, that is known as mechanical energy. So ये motor क्या करता है? When you give it electricity into it, it will start moving. So it converts electrical energy into the mechanical energy. For example, your fan, when you switch on the fan, it starts going round and round. So there is a motor inside the fan which takes the electricity, converts it into the mechanical energy, and because of that the blades of the fan start moving. Now what is the principle? Now the DC motor works on the principle that when an electric current is passed through a conductor placed normally in a magnetic field, normally means perpendicular in a magnetic field, the force acts on the conductor, as a result of which the conductor begins to move and mechanical energy is obtained. हमको ब्लेड्स को घुमाना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? ब्लेड्स को मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में रखेंगे परपेंडिकुलरली, वेयर यू आर गोइंग टू एक्सपीरियंस मैक्सिमम फोर्स एंड इट विल स्टार्ट मूविंग. Okay, now first understand the construction of this. क्या क्या parts है we will see. Look at the figure carefully. You can see ABCD. ABCD is nothing but your coil. यहाँ पे circular coil के जगह पे, so that you understand it properly, they are taking for simplicity rectangular coil. So rectangular coil ABCD, you can see it is mounted on an axle. Axle is, you can say, it is a cylindrical थिंग, और वो एक्सेल पे हम लगा देते हैं. जैसे कि अगर हमको ब्लेड्स घुमाना है तो ब्लेड्स को एक्सेल के साथ फिट करेंगे. व्हेन वी पास द करंट, कॉइल मूव होता है, कॉइल मूव होगा तो एक्सेल मूव होगा, और एक्सेल के साथ जो भी जोड़ोगे वो भी मूव होगा. गणपति में देखो, गणपति के पीछे वो गोल चक्री होती है जो घूमती है, उसमें क्या होता है? वो छोटा सा एक मोटर रहता है. मोटर के ऊपर वो क्या बोलते हैं, एक्सेल पे हमने वो चक्री के बीच में जो होल रहता है, दैट होल वी फिक्स इट इनटू दैट एक्सेल. एंड व्हेन वी स्विच ऑन द करंट, व्हाट हैपेंस? The coil starts moving, coil moves, so the axle moves, and along with the axle, that whatever you have done of that thermocol, that round design, that also starts moving. So that is an axle. Then you have got split parts, S1 and S2 of the ring. There is a ring which is split into two parts, S1 and S2. So they are known as split rings. They are also known as commutator. We will see why. Then there is a pair of कार्बन और कॉपर ब्रशेस B1 and B2. देखो B1 and B2, these are brushes made up of carbon और copper for the connections. Then you have a horseshoe electromagnet north and south. देखो यहाँ पे फिगर में खाली नॉर्थ और साउथ दिखाया, एक्चुअली इट इज़ अ horseshoe magnet. डायग्राम कंप्लीट नहीं किया उन्होंने, इट विल गो राउंड ऑन द टॉप. इट इज़ अ horseshoe magnet. ओके, सो दिस इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन. नाउ स्प्लिट रिंग जो होता है, this is used for keeping the position same and touching the to keep the brushes. Now over here you see the brushes B1 and B2, they are fixed, they are not going to change. Okay, and these brushes B1 and B2, they are gently pressed against the split rings S1 and S2. They are not actually fixed with S1 and S2, they are just touching. And what happens when the coil rotates? The split parts of the ring also rotate with it, because the split rings are connected to the coil. So when the coil will rotate, the split rings will also rotate. लेकिन brushes will not rotate, because brushes are just touching the S1 and S2. They are not fixed. उसको चिपकाया नहीं है, वो fix नहीं है, वो खाली touching है. So coil move होगा तो S1 S2 will move, but B1 B2 will remain where it is. And that is why this ring is known as split ring, because उसको बीच में से you can see in the figure they are split. One moves with that A part वाला ring and one moves with the D part, so they are known as split rings. Now let's see the working of the motor. The first figure is the initial position. Okay, see the connections once again. ABCD coil, okay, connected to the battery. Now current is not flowing. Now since the current is not flowing, nothing is going to happen. The coil is going to be just in the initial position doing nothing. It is just lying like this in the plane of the magnet and the axle is connected. So this is the initial position of the coil when current is not flowing through it. Now let's on the circuit. So when the key is closed, what happens? The current will flow in the coil in direction ABCD. Now see the arrow. It will flow from A to B, B to C. The conventional current कैसे दिखाएंगे हम लोग? From plus to minus. So from the positive terminal you will show one arrow. So the current will flow from A, B, C, D. Now the current in the arms BC and DA. अभी BC और DA देखो. BC और DA कैसे हैं? They are parallel to the magnetic field. Correct? B and C, नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल जिस लाइन में जा रहे हैं उसी लाइन में BC और AD है. So they are parallel. And what we studied earlier, that when the coil is parallel to the magnetic field, it experiences no force. So since BC and AD are parallel to the magnetic field, see, and north से south में कैसे जाएगा magnetic field? From N to S straight line. In that same straight line you will have BC and AD also. So they are not going to experience any force. BC and AD will remain as it is. But you see the current in the arm AB and CD. Now AB and CD are perpendicular to the magnetic field. So they are going to experience a force. And because of that, what is going to happen? How much force they are going to experience? You just learned IBL. Okay? On the arm AB also and on the arm CD also. Only the direction is going to be different. If you put the Fleming's left hand rule, you will see that F is going inward in the direction of the paper. So AB कहाँ पे? नीचे जाएगा. And if AB goes down, CD is in the opposite side. See, in AB current is going from down to up and CD में it is coming from up to down. So the force का जो direction रहेगा acting on AB and CD is going to be exactly opposite. So the force pushes AB down, it will push CD up. तो उसके वजह से क्या होगा? एक सर्कुलर मोशन जो होता है उसका 90 डिग्रीज मोशन हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टूड? एंड इट विल बिकम 90 डिग्रीज मीन्स एकदम स्ट्रेट इरेक्ट हो जाएगा द कॉइल. दिस इज द फर्स्ट 90 डिग्री रोटेशन. लेकिन जब ये 90 डिग्री रोटेशन करेगा, स्प्लिट रिंग का क्या होगा? वो भी घूमेंगे एंड देयर कॉन्टैक्ट विद द ब्रशेज इज लॉस्ट. सी इन द फिगर. Split rings have moved along with the coil and now they are no longer in connection with the B1 and B2. And B1 and B2 are those two brushes which is giving them the current from the battery. So now the current is no longer flowing in the coil. So according to you, the coil should stop. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है. Why? Because after this 90 degrees, because of this movement, they have got inertia. You have studied inertia very well. I need not explain. And because of inertia, it will go again half more term. So 0 to 90 because of the current and the force. And from 90 to 180, again it will move because of inertia. अभी इसने क्या किया है? Half circle complete कर लिया. Quarter circle because of the force and one more quarter आगे का because of the inertia. Okay, so 180 degrees it is going to complete. So now after it completes 180, it again comes back to the original position. That is again, but only the difference is that AB goes to the right side and CD comes to the left side. But again you see the coil. Now again it is perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field. The flowing current, the current flowing is perpendicular. See, it is going from down to up and magnetic field is what? Is the same direction like BC and AD. Horizontal line is magnetic field and perpendicular is the current. So again वो perpendicular हो गया. Again it is going to experience a force. But now what will happen? CD will go and BA. This will again form an anti-clockwise couple. अभी क्या हुआ था? From now AB and CD moved, 180 हो गया. Now again this will take another 90 degrees. That is 270 degrees का rotation. And again the contact of the brushes B1 and B2 will be lost. We will see that in the next figure. Only here you remember it 180 position पे क्या हो गया है? it has come back to the original. Connection is again completed with the both the brushes B1 and B2, and now again the current flowing in the coil is perpendicular to the magnetic field, so again it is going to get a force, and again it will take another 90 degrees turn and come to 270 degrees. So now we have seen that it came to 180 degrees, and after that again it goes for a 90 degree. Now 90 degree means 270 degrees. उसके बाद में क्या हो जाएगा, अगेन द कनेक्शन ऑफ B1 B2 इज लॉस्ट, अगेन करंट इज नॉट फ्लोइंग, बट बिकॉज ऑफ इनर्शिया इट विल अगेन कंप्लीट दैट हाफ टर्न, दैट इज अगेन 90 degrees more. So when it completes 90 degrees more after 270, it becomes 360. मतलब one complete rotation is done. Okay, so this is the scientific explanation of this. Now I will just explain you more in a very simple way. I'll just have a quick recap. Initially no current flowing, coil is in the horizontal position, 0 degrees पकड़ो. When you switch it on, it goes 90 degree rotation, quarter rotation. The contacts are lost, but due to inertia it goes more further and then it stops. So 180 degree complete हो जाता है, but 180 complete हो गया, again connection बन जाता है. Again connection बन गया तो क्या होता है, again it will go further 90 degrees. When it goes further 90 degrees तो अभी 270 degree rotation हो गया. Again contact खत्म हो जाता है from B1 and B2. So what happens into this is, it will not stop because of inertia. It will again go further 90 degrees and then it completes the 360 degree. So this is how one complete rotation is done, and this kind of rotation continues in succession, and we say that the motor is working. Now if we attach anything to the axle, see in the figure axle में कुछ भी attach कर दो, what will happen, वो भी घूमेगा गोल गोल. The same way axle में हम fan के blades we are attaching it. So when the axle starts moving, the blades also start moving round and round. I'll explain you again with the help of some device. Okay, now you can see, now this rectangular piece, suppose it is your coil. Right now current is not flowing, so it is like this. But when I pass the current, what will happen, 90 degrees ये ऐसे हो जाएगा. Okay, ऐसे होने के बाद connection is lost, but because of inertia वो और आगे 90 degrees जाके, this is 180 degree rotation. अभी फिर कनेक्शन बन जाएगा, सो अगेन दिस विल गो लाइक दिस फॉर 90 डिग्रीज, 270 डिग्रीज ये है, बट अगेन कनेक्शन इज लॉस्ट, बट बिकॉज ऑफ इनर्शिया वो फिर से ऐसे गोल घूम जाएगा. सो यू सी पूरा 360 डिग्रीज रोटेशन हो गया. अगेन कनेक्शन बन गया, इट विल कम लाइक दिस, कनेक्शन गया इनर्शिया से अनदर 90, अनदर नो अगेन कनेक्शन बन गया, सो अगेन नाउ दिस विल गो अप, कनेक्शन गॉन बिकॉज ऑफ इनर्शिया अनदर 90, अगेन कनेक्शन डन 90 degree, connection gone, inertia, connection again came back 90 degree, connection gone, inertia. So like this it will go on rotating round and round, and whatever is connected to the axle, that will also rotate along with it.